Hey everyone. Today I'll show you how to make your Facebook profile private. Open Facebook, go to Account, Settings, Privacy and User Settings. Here, choose who can see your profile. For new posts, you can select Only Me or limit visibility to friends. For existing posts and stories, you can adjust who can view them. You can also control who sees your reels and stories. Set who can share your reels and stories. Adjust who can see your profile info and public posts. Choose who can see your followers list. Finally, hit save. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. This is Govik signing off. Wishing you all the best. Take care.